Welcome! Today, I will introduce you to the Viko crate, an innovative, lightweight, and manageable solution that perfectly fits your transportation and storage needs, thanks to its customizable folding collars. The Viko crate is made with plywood collars, assembled with galvanized steel hinges. This system allows the height of the container to be adjusted based on the load, making it ideal for a variety of applications, from transportation to warehouse goods management. Viko is a reusable packaging solution that helps reduce waste, and its structure allows for easy customization with logos, handles, dividers, and side flaps. The Viko crates are equipped with folding collars, with 4 or 6 galvanized steel hinges. They offer high customizability and reusability. They comply with ISPM 15 FAO phytosanitary standards. Let me give you a practical example of use. The Viko crate is perfect for transporting delicate components, such as household appliances or equipment, that require a packaging solution that is easily adaptable and durable. If the Viko crate is the right choice for your needs, contact us for more details or request a customized quote.